Good morning everyone. I'm down at the boat ramp, just about to head out. 5 days ago we've actually had some damage to the floating pontoon. She's actually split down at the back corner and it's just flipped right up, and yeah, it's just buggered everything up. It's going to be interesting now, especially with the saltwater crocodiles and everything as we launch. They can be right at the water's edge just here. I'm going to try and put in a safe manner and retrieve. Here we go. Let's go fishing and go and hook into some fish. Can't use the pontoon, as you can see it's closed. Rocks to the left hand side of the boat ramp, so I couldn't put it in the mud, too rough, but this is just like slosh and so slippery. Oh, hopefully they'll come up some funding and fix this, as this is dangerous. Probably more dangerous fishing, by yourself. If you had another person in, they could actually drive off, hover out there and come back and through and pick you up. Alright, let's get out of here before it gets too hard. From this bloody boat ramp. Wind's pushing us back in, but it's okay, we got there. As I said before, there's actually rocks either side of this. I'll give you a bit of a look here. So it's really hard just to put it on the mud, especially when you're fishing by yourself. And the other side, you just don't have enough water. You'll run straight back into the pontoons. Alright guys, let's go. Alright, the wind's picking up and getting a bit snotty out here. It's just short and sharp. I'm only doing like 10 knots, just bouncing across. Hey, check this out. Getting wet at the same time. This is the side spray. Probably doesn't look too bad on the camera, but a bit snotty. 12-foot short, let's go. It's pushing over a sandbar. It's only 400 mil deep. I'm just coming over. You can see it's kind of choppy there to get out of it, but just probably another 70 meters in front of me, it drops off. I think I'm just going to get up on a plane and go for it. Come on. Wow, I finally made it. Alright, finally made it into the creek. Can't see nothing through the glasses, they're just wet. At least now we've got more protection. So that just took me about 50 minutes, 55 minutes to get here from the boat ramp. We still got a fair way to travel yet, so let's get up there. Pulled up to the first spot. We're just in a little feeder creek just here. I put the live scope down. I just done a quick side scan through here. Looks like a couple of fish, but the tide is starting to move in now, so hopefully that will bring more fish in, and we'll just keep continuing up and move closer to the back. All right, let's go. Sure if you can see, oh, there's a little croc just there. We've got the Sakari soft plastic 7-inch on. First cast for the morning. Seeing too much fish on the live target yet. Well, no luck at the other creek. Let's try this one. Let's go. Come on, fish. How is this? 7-inch Sakari, eh? And the smallest little barra. There we go. Come on, mate. We'll let you go. Unreal. Just as big as him. Small but cute. Oh, quick release. Straight in. That was straight after that cast in, but still undersized. Come on, mate, come this way. Oh, might be just size, but we're actually gonna let all the fish go today. Nice. Oi, come on, mate. You can get back in. Oh, get him out in the light. Look at that. It's good to see juveniles. Get a hat trick. The fourth cast. I'm in Little Rat City here. But, oh, look at that. Good release. This bloody lure back together. So all it is a pin. Locks the front treble. Once I sort it out, into the middle, just push it through, it locks in, and do the same with your back one. Just there. Okay. And we're off. Bit more bait action just around the edges here, so hopefully that'll bring the bigger fish in. Ew! Fish on! Just moved to another spot, just a bit further back. This one's going right around the back of the boat. Let's hopefully bring it back around. Hey, don't go down there, come on. Alright, come to the back. This way. Wait, he's using the current. He's only a small one. Come on, little fella. Where are you? There you are. Oh, hooked him on the bottom. Alright. Slowly getting bigger, but not big enough. Okay, little fella. Straight back in. Right, let's do that again. Oh, yep, straight away. Here we go. So if I get this camera going. Oh, a bit of slack line. It's only another small one. Oh, it's a little bit bigger. Hey, easy for easy. Relax. Come on. Yes. Okay, settle down now. Go in the shade. Nice. He would be size, this one. He'd be bloody spot on 55 to 57 centimeters. All right. There we go. What's that? Number 4. Ready for that one. Feels a little bit bigger. Not much bigger, but it is. Beauty. Good stuff. Ooh, side sweeped it. On the corner of his mouth. Nice. Number 5. Oh well, there's a lot of small ones around, which is a good sign for a bit later on. Let's get some more. There's a croc straight in the middle here. So about 20 meters off us. Only a small one, probably about a 6-7 footer. Little saltwater croc. Here he is on the active target. That's him just here swimming through. So he's going over to the right hand side. He's just gone straight underneath me in the front. Whew. The hottest part of the day, coming into it. It's bloody hot. Sweating. But it wouldn't change your life. Wouldn't be dead for quids. Just wait for the tide to go out. As it's a dead part of the tide, once it starts moving, the bait will move. Hopefully the fish will move with them as well. So kill a bit of time, and hopefully that wind will drop off this afternoon. It's nice and peaceful out here, that's for sure. Onto something here. Might be a little barra. It is a little barra. Sweet. I'll tell you what, they're playing pretty soft. Beautiful. Number 6. Come on. 4 more to go. Another little bar. Come on, number 7. Phew. They're only small, but they're still fish. It's probably around about a 62 centimeter bar. Very sluggish. Okay. In the shade, mate. Alright. Let's let him go straight away. A little bit of damage. Hopefully should be right. Come on there, good thing. Just get bigger. What are you doing? Jeepers. Number 8. I was just thinking, those barra are playing real lazy, and I hadn't checked the water temp for a while. Check this out, have a look at what the water temp is. Where we got it? 35.7. So when I first got in the creek, the temperature was sitting on around about 29, 30. Now it's draining off from the flats, and it's so hot, it's just bringing out hot water, and the fish are just lazy as. They're just going up there, getting the feed and getting the hell out of there before they cook. So I've just travelled out about 20 minutes back towards the mouth in the same creek, Have a look at that water temp here. It's a lot lower, 33.2, so over 2 degrees difference. Gotta love this. It was snotty out here this morning, so this is where I turned into the creek. Check this out now. Glass off. Check this out, this is on the way home. This is the bastion. That big hill there. So you've got the Wyndham Port just to the right of it here, and the town is just at the back of it there. How good is the country around here? The scenery is unreal. You never get sick of it. Right at the background up through here is the Coburn Ranges. Okay, that's the end of the day. I'm absolutely cooked. I think it's 45 today. So 8 barra in total, all small, still good fun, doesn't matter. It's probably keeping it real. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Yoo!